Deep inside this forgotten forest, a legendary Kenworth T800 and a 53-foot McDonald's trailer have been abandoned for decades. Nature has almost reclaimed this giant machine. But today, its restoration journey begins. Years of rain, mud, and neglect have left this truck in terrible condition. Every inch shows signs of decay, from the corroded grille to the shattered lights. The once bright trailer now stands as a ghost of its former self. Restoration experts carefully assess the damage before touching a single bolt. The first step is clearing years of forest growth wrapped around the truck. High-pressure water blasts away layers of dirt and organic buildup. Hidden beneath the grime, the original shape slowly reappears. The full scale of this restoration becomes visible from the sky.
The engine compartment reveals severe rust and mechanical deterioration.
Damaged parts are carefully removed for rebuilding. The heart of the truck is extracted for complete restoration. Fresh components replace parts that can no longer be saved. The transmission receives the same level of detailed attention. The truck's frame begins to look factory fresh once again. Sandblasting removes rust down to bare metal. Heavy-duty suspension components restore strength and stability.
All 22 tires are removed for replacement.
Fresh commercial-grade tires prepare the truck for future journeys. Each wheel is carefully mounted and balanced.
The trailer structure undergoes a complete safety assessment.
Weak sections are reinforced with new materials. Technicians restore the trailer's structural integrity. Decades of faded paint are removed. A protective primer prepares every surface for painting. The trailer receives a clean and modern appearance. New graphics restore the trailer's recognizable identity.